Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert these numbers into text in Microsoft Word. So let us jump in. The first thing we want to do here is make sure that we are selecting the number. So what we've got here is current subscribers, and that is the current subscribers to our How to Harbor channel. And what we're going to do is we're going to just double click and highlight the number. Now, what we can do is hold in Control on our keyboard and tap F9. Now, in the beginning of these numbers, just in front, you want to type in an equals, and then at the end, you want to enter a backslash, and then an asterisk, which would be shift and the number 8, and then you want to type in card text. Okay, and once we are done, we are going to right click, and there will be an option called Update Field. And as you can see here, the number is 1,325. And once we tap that, it is now written out as 1,325. We can do the exact same over here to our goal subscribers and then also to our makeup. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in another awesome one. Cheers for now.